Hey everybody, Earl here. We're checking out a 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1. This car has gone through a lot, and I mean a lot of work with a lot of receipts and documentation that goes along with this vehicle. We're gonna do a quick walk around, and then I'm gonna read off everything that's been done because I cannot remember it all. I mean, this car is amazing. It's just amazing stance. I mean, I'm speechless in some points. Look at this thing. Paint just lays beautifully. Powered by a 351 4-valve engine. Been totally rebuilt. Transmission's been rebuilt with a stall in there. I mean, the paint just lays gorgeous. This car is absolutely stunning. It's great to do a video on something like this because you don't see them like this that often. I mean, it's just beautiful. Look at this thing. Look at that. Amazing car. I'm gonna read off the list of things that were done. It's got aluminum drive shaft on there. I mean, everything with detail. Tons of receipts, tons of documentation with this. Just amazing. Paint is deep, great shine. Glass, chrome moldings, excellent condition. Dual sport mirrors. Everything that needs to be working properly is working. Turn signals, lights. I think the only thing that's not operable, we're gonna look at it, but it's not working, is the horn. Just done amazingly. This color is just gorgeous. Let's get down and look at this sucker. Beautiful car. Paint is just in great, great condition. Roof line, great. All the glass and moldings and trim, done right. I've got a full description online. I'll shoot off a few things for you. But they don't get any nicer than this. Only flaw that I personally found on this whole entire car is right here. This one little spot. This side's fine, but just right here, that's the only thing. Back glass is great, chrome around the windows great. Rear spoiler, rear chrome bumpers in excellent condition. All your lights are working. Turn signals, everything is working. Heat, radio. I don't see anything in depth. Paint is great. It's got an upgraded Cobra Jet 351 shaker hood. I mean, there's nothing to really go over from. Bumper chrome is good, light bezels are good, front fairing is great. It's an amazing car. Let me shoot off a few of the things that I've noticed so you're all aware what you're gonna be going into. Like I said, it's been rebuilt. It's got about 10,000 miles on it. It's got an automatic transmission, which is an FMX 3-speed that's got a stall in there. It's got a 9-inch 31 spill with a 350 gear in the back. It's got the stock interior, 4-wheel disc brakes, Magnum 500 wheels, aluminum drive shaft, which is amazing. Aftermarket shaker hood, front and rear spoilers, aftermarket AM/FM stereo with a CD in the trunk, power steering. Front and rear suspension's been totally rebuilt, nut to bolt, new springs, front and back. It's got the KYB shocks, front and rear, staggered in the rear. It's got subframe connectors, roller idler arms, roller springs, rear sway bars, LED lights. This car's gonna come with the original window sticker. It's gonna come with a build sheet, original owner's manual, and so much paperwork. Let's take a look inside here. The car is amazing. This interior. Don't get any cleaner than this. Grab your piggy bank. Tell your old lady you're getting yourself a Mustang Sally. Get the aftermarket gauge there for your tack. It's showing 47,000 miles on the odometer. Look at this thing. It's just beautiful. Sun visors are all there. Hood liner is there. Back seat, all your seat belts intact, all your moldings are great. I mean, everything is done to the T. Show quality here, guys and gals. Just beautiful. I'm gonna give you a little show on all that receipts and stuff and documentation that we have and let you be the judge, but this is a winner chicken dinner. Check this out. Spare tire. Look at this. Just done right. Everything's the way it should be, all originals. Look at this surprise. California car. Let me put it out like this. Look at these receipts. Tons and tons of receipts. I mean, I can't even explain to you how much documentation and receipts are going to come with this vehicle. All your owner's manuals, bill of sales. It just doesn't stop. It's amazing. I mean, it just keeps going on and on and on and on. Underneath, super, super clean. Just, I don't know. I think I'm just lost for words, but we don't find them like that often. This thing's not gonna last. This is a beautiful car. I'm gonna fire it up. You guys can hear it out, and gals. I don't think there was any expenses spared here. All your hoses and belts are done right and are new. Just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful build car. I mean, they don't get any nicer than this. Acapulco Blue, baby. We're up. Mustang Sally, let's go. Let's see what we got. Let's wait till we get a little heat in the engine. So we all know we've got 47,670 miles on the odometer. It's beautiful. All your gauges are working, all your lights are working. Only thing that is not in op is your horn. The horn is not working. Everything else is working the way it should. The wipers. Let's listen to her. no disappointments here. All the chrome around the glass. I mean, just everything about it. The appointments are just amazing on this car. Let's hear it one more time. So if you're looking to get some financing, and you're anywhere from a 625 to a 730, basically, go to my website, fill out the app where the car is, and we'll be able to get that called in for you with 10% down. If you are a 740 and above, you could go directly to lightstream.com. Generally, the approval takes about 24 hours. They'll wire the money directly into your account. We are open from 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, Saturday from 10 a.m. till 2 p.m. by appointment only, everybody. You can reach me, again, my name is Earl, at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We've got over 120 cars in stock. Pictures and video and everything. If you need delivery costs, because we ship directly to your door, bonded and insured, again, you can reach me at 773-600-0919, and you can text me. I will get you out a quote on how much it would cost you. Have a great day. Enjoy our videos.